Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dale. I've been sharing with you guys my experience in Africa after going to Africa in 2019. The last day in December, I arrived in Africa on 2020, January 1st, 2020, New Year's Day. I've talked about the tribes of Gambia. I've talked about the Mandinka tribe. I've talked about the Wolof tribe. I've talked about the Fulani tribe. I've talked about the Jola tribe. So today I want to talk about the Serahule tribe. Serahules are from the Ghana Empire. They made their way into Gambia, and these people are known to be skilled merchants. They are excellent in negotiating. They are great at planning. They're very strategic and very warm people, the Serahule. And again, these are just the characteristics that the tribes are known for. Generally speaking, you will have exceptions to the rule as with anything else, so please keep that in mind. So now after the Serahule, we have the Sere tribe, which is a very small tribe in Gambia, the Sere. These people are known to be skilled musicians. They are great artisans, and they are from the coast, the coastal region. They are very close to the water, so that's where they would get the inspiration to be great musicians, because they are known to be from the coast. They are coastal people. And now we are at the Manjago people. Now the Manjago people, all the other tribes that I've been talking about, they are predominantly Muslims. The Manjago tribe is predominantly Christian. They are a predominantly Christian tribe, the Manjago people. These people, they don't place a lot of emphasis on material things. They place emphasis on your value, who you are as a person, than what you have. That's the Manjago. They are known to be very honest people, and legend has it that if you want someone to look over your property for you and you don't want to worry about the person trying to covet your property, then it's better if you have a Manjago look over it, because they are known to be honest people. Okay, so those are the tribes that are found in Gambia, West Africa. There are more tribes like I think it's the Aku tribe. They are the Creole tribe, and those people actually were Africans who were brought to the West and then returned to Africa, the Aku. And there are other tribes that come in and out of Gambia, like the Balanta people, but I don't know much about these other two tribes. But keep in mind that there are other tribes there as well in Gambia, West Africa. So now I want to get to the do's and the don'ts while to do business in Gambia.